Hey guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. God bless you all. Welcome to my channel, The Real Love Survival. I thank God for the grace. Every day is a bonus. And today's video is going to be about fire starting kits. As you can see on the table, I've got a load of different things to make fire with. So stick around and I'll tell you a bit more. See you in a sec, guys. You can just start up your fire like that. Okay, welcome back. And as you can see, I've got a load of stuff on the table. And if you saw my last video, it was about some stuff that I won from a prize from a channel called Gaziano Outdoors. I actually won open L knife, the number 6, and I also won this rather nice pouch, a torch, and a Tatonka mug. So basically what it is, like I was saying to you in my last video, I showed you my fire kit right here. As you can see, this is the pouch with my fire stuff in it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer all this gear into this new pouch that I won from Gaziano Outdoors. So what I'll do is the next video I'll show you when I've completed this kit, but in today's video I'm just showing you that different kinds of ways of making fires. I'm not going to actually demonstrate making fires today, I'm just going to show you what I've got. And I usually keep it in this box, if you can see it back here, black box. It's got a little label on there, fire, Tinder, Ferro Rods. And in here I keep most of this stuff for making fire kits. Obviously there's a separate pouch over there. Let me just come to the other side. This pouch here, it's got my fire tins. I bought this tin with some biscuits in it some time back, and I made a little fire kit in there as well. Basically it's got like Tinder, Vaseline, some cotton wool buds, some clipper fuel. It's also got another couple of tins. If you actually go back and scroll down my videos, you'll find these tins and you'll see exactly what I keep in them. Now just for today's video I just wanted to show you a couple of things, and really I just wanted to encourage you to go through your kits, your fire kits, make sure you've got enough fuels, different types of fuels. Make sure make sure you knock everything over. Live TV, oh well, it's pre-recorded. Make sure you've got flints for your lighters. In this box right here, container, this normally goes into this big box here, and in here I've got a selection of lighters. Make sure all your lighters, I've got flints in them, all fueled up. Got extra little fuel bottle right here, which is handy. Nice little dinky bottle of fuel right there. So make sure all your lighters have got flints in them. Make sure you've got plenty of tinder. Tinders here, got loads of different types of tinders, barbecue fire type of tinders right here. I've got cotton wool with some Vaseline in them. You can put candle wax if you want. I've got some little Vaseline containers right here. Fresnel lens, good for starting fires. And the old Ferro Rod right here. Ferro Rod. Different types of matches. The orange one is the cheaper type you can get online, and these are the more expensive BCB ones. Okay, so just go through your kits. Make sure you've got the fuel. If you haven't got fuel, you won't get far. And if you've got a car and you ain't got fuel, you ain't going to go far. I know that's a bit easy saying there, but it's true. Same with your lighters. You need your tinder. Like I was saying, I've got different types of tinder. Over here, this was sent to me some time back by Plymouth Fens. Thumbs up to Plymouth Fens. Check out his channel. Go over and give him a sub. Basically, got some fat wood that has been put into a machine and chopped down into little pieces. Here's a fat wood as it comes. Nice bit of fat wood. So yeah, tinder. Make sure you got tinder. I've also got stuff. Here's another bag over here with some birch bark in it. Okay, cotton wool, and there's a couple of cotton wool pieces there with Vaseline on it. So what I'm just basically doing in this video is just encouraging you to go through your kit. This is the fire kit that I will be making in this pouch, so watch this space. Probably tomorrow, God willing, or the day after, I will have this kit already sorted and I'll show you what I've done with it. And today's video just, you know, showing you how much gear I've got. I mean, it does mount up. Going back to tinder, you've seen the fat wood, you've seen the cotton wool, you've seen the Vaseline. Jute twine is also good as a tinder. Obviously wood shavings is good. And there's probably loads of other ones that I've not mentioned in this video. And you probably know already, most of you guys are clued up. So I won't say too much. So yeah, just been going through my kits, making sure all my lighters have all got flints, like I was saying. Make sure you've got plenty of fuel. Go through your fire kit, make sure that it's not damp or wet. I've already been through my fire kit, everything's still working well. The lighter here in my fire kit works nice and good. Nothing's damp in there. So I'm just going to transfer all this stuff into this other pouch. Okay, got some Ranger bands. Also made a video recently, if you want to scroll down, I made a Ranger band log. So if you scroll down in my videos, find the video where I put this together and I demonstrated it. So yeah, basically just showing you different types of fire lighting tools and tinder. Simple things like candles, make sure you've got some candles, also good for fire lighting. I've got one of those Esbit stove fuel pellets right here. Also good for tinder. See if you've got a magnifying glass. This is one I picked up recently, quite cheaply. I put that in my kits. Like I was saying, matches. Here's another magnesium fire starter. It's got magnesium and a little ferro rod on the side. I do have another one of these in my fire kit already, right here. If you can see that here. Okay. So what I've been doing, here's a nice little one. Basically it's like a little container. You put fuel in there, you've got a little sort of metal match and it lights. Fantastic little bit of kit there. So yeah, you know, there's loads of different types of containers. You can have a fire kit in a tin. You can have a fire kit in different types of tins. Pouch, obviously a lot of people got pouches with fire kits in them. You can have boxes of matches, that's like a fire kit in itself. Different types of matches, long matches, extra long, sorry. Swan matches. And, you know, obviously a lighter. I've got my Zippo. I was just checking out to see if it's got fuel in it. So, you could have a little fire kit in just a little baggie like this one. This is another little simple little fire kit I got with a lighter. Some fuel in there, some cotton wool. Right there, you can put some Vaseline on the cotton wool or even candle wax to make them burn longer, and so you can start a good fire. So yeah, I think I've been through everything here on the table. Obviously, another thing I just wanted to quickly tell you, Flint and Steel. I've got a good one here. And but what I'm going to do, I'm not going to go through all the kit that's in that pouch. When I do the next video, I'll show you what I've put in this fire pouch right here, the fire kit. So I just wanted to do a short and sweet one. Obviously, oh yeah, quickly, the Ferro Rods. Obviously, it's a good idea to have some Ferro Rods. This is one of my cool ones. I made the handle to this. If you scroll down in my videos, some way down, you'll see I made a load of Ferro Rods handles. And let me just get it on the other side. So in this bag right here, I've got an assortment of Ferro Rods that I made myself. And if you scroll down in my videos, you'll see the video where I make the handles, glue the rods inside, and I've also got a Ranger band one as well. So it's a Ferro Rod with a Ranger band on it, one of these as a handle. And it's also tinder. So yeah, you know, you've got different types of methods of making fires. You've got different types of tinder. You've got different kind of containers to put your fire kits in. Like I said, it could be as simple as just a little bag, or you could have it in a pouch. It's up to you. So, just a short and sweet one today. I hope you're all well. You know, everyone's going, it seems like the world's going crazy. So what you've got to try and do is keep your head together. Don't get caught up in the madness. Okay? It seems bleak, and it might get worse before it gets any better. So just take care of yourselves. Go through your kits, see what your preps, check your preps, go through your stuff. And another little idea I got quickly before I finish, you can make even a fire kit in a wallet. It's a spare wallet I got. You know, you could have Fresnel lens in there. You know, you could have some cotton wool, tinder in here. You could just make a really basic fire kit in a wallet even, and that just slips into your pocket. You could have tinders in there. You could have a little small ferro rod in here. You can put cotton wool tinder in there like I showed you, Fresnel lens, etc. So yeah, there we have it. Just a short and sweet one today. Take good care of yourselves, guys and girls. If you've got any ideas, or if you want to tell me how you light your fires, what you use, just leave them down in the comment section. And go through your kits, check your preps. Today's video is about the fire kit and checking that you've got fuel, tinder, etc, etc. Just make sure that you've got your pouch in good condition. Okay? So quickly before I go, I was telling you about my ferro rod. Oh, sorry. Using the wrong side. Throws out loads of sparks, especially with this scraping thing right here. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Take good care of yourself. I hope to see you soon. God bless, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye. You can just start up your fire like that.